तुमचे मुखार इनास आणि आमची वांगडी घुमटांचे सादार गोंयकारपण तो लिंक करतलो हो घुमटांचो आवाज आम्ही माड पयले माड कुसले सगळे पावले माडान गोंयकारपण सांबाळूंक ना आनी हे फुडें घुमट घुमट गोंस फगवा घुमटांचे सादार गोंयकारपण लिंक करूंक भोंवता गोंयकारपण हाडूंक भोंवता सॉरी गोंयकारपण जे पाड घातला हेंच्यांनी फक्त रडूंक भोंवता इनास फुडें वच
Regular to this market most of the mornings, and for years together this market has been in the same condition, and many politicians, even our local politician Vijay Bamunta तुमकां सगळें साफ करून दितलो. ही फाटल्यान न्हंय आसा ती सगळी कोचऱ्यान भरून गेल्या ते आनी रिवर्सालांनी मोडपाचो ना आनी ताका नांव आमी आतां कितें करपाचें आमचो हे सुदीप बाबा आसा कॅनडे आसा तेणी एक ताका रिवर्सालान एक न्हंयें नांव दिवपाचें आनी जाता जाल्यार हेंच्यांनी हय गटर साल म्हणा कितेंय म्हणा आनी हेंच्यांनी जाता जाल्यार हे पळय हे परिस्थितीन नुस्त्या विकून आमी पळय मडगांवकार खाता तें खावपाचें बंद करपाचें. हे नुस्त्याक हांव म्हणना घेवपा बंद करपा म्हणून खावपाचें बंद करपाचें कित्याक घेवपा बंद केल्यार तेंगेलें पोट वयतलें नुस्तेकारांचें. ते पासून ते सरकारान कितें जाल्यार एक विशय घेवचो हेजेर आनी तो सेटलमेंट करून दिवचो आमकां. देव बरें करूं.
म्हाका समजना आमचे गोंयकार कोण भाशेन बाजारान येवन नुस्तें घेता हे कुसलोले वासान कशें उबे रावता आयज प्रोटेस्ट मीट म्हूण सगळें खबर आसली कोण हांगा मुखार सरना सो मातशें इंट्रस्ट घेयात तुमचे ते बाजार साफ करपाक जाय जाल्यार मातशें इंट्रस्ट घेयात आनी सपोर्ट करात असले कॉजांक थँक्यू
I'm really shocked and surprised the way this place has been and how many Goans come here to buy fish every day, but nobody wants to be even here to protest against this. I think Goans are used to living in dirt and in a mess. I'm sorry to say, but it's the time to change. Thank you.
आख्या तेरा बाबा सकाळीचे आख्या गांठी बसवता हिंगा गांठी बसवता गांठयां काणाय गांठयां काड जाल्यार आम म्हणटाय गांठयां कित्याक काडटा म्हणटाय ते जाल्यार गोंयकारान खूंय वचपाचें ओ निजा गोंयकार हारी तांकां गोणा जायना तेंगे रापूण बी मारपा मनीस नाय म्हण ती बायेन आपणागे इल्लें कितें कोन्न वयताय तेंका उलयताय आनी आख्या तेरा गांठी हिंग चोय चिकोण केसो तें तुकोडो सांगलो हांवें तें रिकॉर्ड जाला आसतो तुकोडे आनी आख्या गांठयां काणाय ते काय म्हळ्यार गांठयां काणाय आनी आम काड जाल्यार आमकां उलोवपा येताय त्या बाजरा कोण चीट मारतो आमकां उलयता गांठयां काणाक म्हणटा ती आपणा 500-400 दिताय म्हणटाय 500-400 दिता म्हळ्यार आमगे गोंय तांकां दिया काबार करया गोंयकारां भायर उडोवपाचें गोंयकारां खूंय गोंयकारान खूंय वचपाचें ते हो लोक आनी केसो बिजनेस करूं जाणा तें आमगे नुस्त्या बिजनेस आमाय शापायलें तें आमगे धंदो हे आमगे आमकां आनी केसलो धंदो जायना आमगे हालीं नुस्तें आमगे गो नुस्तें माता नुस्तें हाडटाय
आमी गरीब मनशां बाबा आमगे आनी आदार कोण ना थोडी गोवन आसलोली बायलो हाय सारकें सांगून म्हळ्यार ती माड कितकोन बापड्या बायल भुरग्यांक जावं भुरग्यांक कितकोन पोट बोतोली आपणाली शिंकताय थोडे गोवन ना सारकें सांगोचें म्हळ्यार आमगे हिंगेन आम कितें आमगे खांट पुजना म्हूण घराको भुरग्यांक घालपाचें आम गांठी हिंगा आमी 50 जाणां आहाय जाल्यार गांठी 200-300 जाणां आहाय सारकें सांगोचें म्हळ्यार आनी आम कितकोन एशें कोन्न हें करपाचें आनी आम तो तेंक दांडायत कितें करीत आमचे हांगा येताय तुम कोण सांगिलां जावं चीट डिकू माताय ते आमच्या हांगा येताय तुम कोण तेंक काड म्हूण सांगिलां तुमकां येलावड ना आम तेंक काडपाचो जाल्यार बाबा गोंयकारां येलावड आहा हें गांठी येलावड आहा गोंयकारां येलावड ना गांठी भायर गोंयकार गांठी जाले आनी गांठी गोंयकार जाले काल हांव आसोना सारकें सांगोचें म्हळ्यार बाबा
काली हिंग तुमी सगळे एसपीडी मार्केटांचे सगळे चौपा चेअरमॅन बी हिंग येयले म्हणटोच हिंग सारको क्लीन दिसलो तांकां हालीं एक 10 सुमार गोंयकार दिसती पडलीं तांकां आनी पयलीं साफ केले एक गाडी हाडली टँकर हाडले तेमी इतले दीस बोबाड मारलें एक टँकर आण घाल हिंग लोक पोटा हिंग लोक पांय लोकां कुसताय दोळे होडे येता उदकाचे बी अशें करून सांगिल्लें आयकनाय जालें काना वयलें काडूं लागले आनी काल तेमी मोद्याकाकू येचो थिंगा फुटबॉल ग्रावंड उयलो कोण ग्रावंडाको दुयले सायडीन तुमकां बॅग दाखयलें सायडीन कितू चिकोण आहा तें चोयलां दोग जाण दादले पळय काल आनी एकली बायल पळय ही चोय ही थिंगा आहा चिकनान बोल्या सारकी हिंग निवळ जाय हिंग लोकां हेजे लोक देहन पासून येना मागीर गिराक जायना म्हणटा लोक रस्त्यार धांवताय कित्याक गो हिंग लोक सकयल देहन येना हे चिकलान नई गाडये घेवन येता लोक त्या गाडया हिंग तूं मोच्या पांय घेवन तितू चिकलां वचपा लोकां उदक ना हिंग धुवपाक उदक आसना लोक आनी काल तेमी ते आतां इश्ट कोन्न सगळे घांटयां बेगीन उठायले आनी तेमी कुशींग नुस्तें लिपोवन दवरलां आनी तुमी हिंग थिंग पावना काय आख्खें गांठी बसोना सकाळीं 5 गांठी बसप ते मॉर्निंग 5 o'clock बसप ते राती गोंय 8 o'clock पासून गांठयां हिंगा नुस्तें हिंगताय आमगे गोंयकार कोण दिसती पड जाल्यार तुमी चोय राती 8 देखून आख्खें गांठी आख्खें
दुसरें म्हळ्यार बाबा मुठाय गांठयांक सोय मेळटा सारकें आतां गांठयांक सोय कित्याक मेळटा तेंगे ते गाडयो आहाय न्ही हे लोडिंगा गाडयो आहाय तेंचे ते गो बी आसताय ते कितें कोता आमी पळय बॉक्सांक येताय तितू तूं हें कोन्न आमगे बॉक्सांत काडटाय तेंगे बोताय तेंक दिवं वयताय बॉक्सां तेंक लागून ते सोय तेंक घालून कोता येता कित्याक आमकां घालून कोता आमगे कोण ना चोन पावट्यो कोताय सकाळींच्यो हिंग चोरयो जाताय पावट्यो कितू
400-500 पावट्यो एक गाडये येयली म्हणटोरी ते कितें कोताय तेंगे मनीस आसताय 5 जावं 6 जावं देंवोवपाचे हय ते दोग जाण देंवयताय जाल्यार दोग जाण हिना 3 पावट्यो गुल तेंकोच्यान अशें करून तें तुमकां घाताय
सोय घालपा तेंको सोय मेळटा म्हणटाय गांठयां गोडे गांठयां कितें सोय मेळटा ती चोन हाडटाय पावट्यो बॉक्सान देंवयताय ते गोय बॉक्सान देंवन दिताय
तेंको जाय तूं तेंको आंटी जाय एक पयशे हाडे फ्री मेळटा तेंकां
ते मागीर कशें घालून जाता तेंकां आमी
म्हारग मेळटा
आमी एक पाटी हाडी जालें आनी परतून आनी वचनाय हाडूंक तेश कोन्न आमगे जाता
गेलो नुस्तें बाबा सारकें जाल्यार सारकें मूड
तू काल पडली सकाळ
सकल पडले काल
कितको पडले तू
पाय निसरलो आनी पडले
मार लागलो तुका
हातीक मातसो मार लागले हे हातीक
Goans for Goa, we had given an ultimatum to the BJP government and to the MLA of this constituency to clean up this fish market, this wholesale fish market, because the condition of this market is disgraceful. It is stinking with garbage everywhere, with potholes everywhere where the water is stagnating, and it is really very difficult for people to fish here. So because of our Goans who consume this fish, we had given this ultimatum. But for the last 30 days, nobody did anything about it. But yesterday, I heard that Mr. Vijay Sardesai, the TCB minister, came here and he said that he has taken a technical or administrative approval to tender to restore this fish market to a proper semblance. The tender is supposed to be for 2 crores, and we are happy that he has tried to look at it with fresh eyes and has listened to our call. But just by promises, things don't end. And that is why Goans for Goa went ahead with the musical protest to raise awareness. Because there are many demands of ours. One, the market owners or the authorities must put at least 2-3 laborers on a daily basis here to remove the garbage and keep it clean. Second, we need a fresh carpet or concrete with a sloping and a proper drainage so the water does not get accumulated here. Fourth, we want the health ministry to come here and check it every day, every 15 days and give it a health bill. And the fifth demand is that all these trucks coming in from Karnataka, they must be levied a revenue tax if they want to unload fish here at this market, which is now some other scrupulous elements are collecting. Yesterday, we heard from the fish people here, the Goan people selling fish, that they told non-migrant sellers not to stay in the market so that when the minister comes, they kept them hidden in the shadows so that the press does not come to have a look at them. They also employed 5 people and also brought a tanker of water to get this place cleaned up so as to give a false impression to the press that see the fish market is clean and there's nothing wrong with it. We are not doing, this is not the right way. If this is the intention, then we are only going to fool ourselves, fool the Goan people, and the government is going to fool itself. We will continue this protest every 30 days until this fish market or the promise that Vijay has given is completed. I thank the people who came here. It's very surprising to see that the call was given. We didn't put an advertisement on the press, but it's just on a Facebook call that many people came, but more were expected because there was just a handful of people here. But it is the credit to these people who came that today it is because of these people who came that this market will be renewed. And it was because of these people that the 2 crore tender is floated. What I want to send a message to Goenkars is, it only takes a handful of people to make a change. We don't require thousands. It didn't matter to us who didn't come here. What mattered to us is who came here today. Thank you very much.
Goans for Goa has done a job of public responsibility by bringing the issue of this fish market into the eye of the public and into the notice of the government. According to our constitution, right to live or right to life is one of the fundamental rights. And the condition of this fish market, as you see it right now, the way it is, it denies the citizens the right to health and automatically denies the right to life. This is a very serious issue. It should be taken on a priority basis by the government, and the condition of this fish market should be made good enough for human beings to roam around here. Right now it is not even worth pigs. And Musical Warrior has been an organization which since the time of Father Bismarck has been supporting all the causes taken for the public welfare by the ordinary Goans, and we will continue supporting such causes. Whether it is by Goans for Goa or by other organizations, we will always be with them. Thank you.
Have a look at this. That's a toilet. Okay, near the toilet they have put metal sheets, and from there they are leaving all the sewage down straight from here, and from here it is straight goes in the river, and this is causing a lot of trouble, lot of problem for the fishermen here. Have a look at this coconut trees. If you see these coconut trees all around, all these coconut trees are died. These coconut trees are died only because this market is not cleaned properly, and all the dirt and sewage is getting settled all around here, and because of that reason the coconut trees are died. If the coconut trees are died, you can imagine what will be the state of the humans, every day the fishermen who come here and sell the fish. You can imagine the state of theirs looking at these coconut trees. So we urge the government of Goa to go ahead, immediately start the work here, so that the lives of the humans get saved. All the dirt which is there, due to this dirt, various kinds of sickness happens. So we need to go ahead and look into it so that people don't suffer. And when the locals come here, buy the fish, sometimes the fish falls in that dirt, they remove it and keep it again and they sell it. And the local people don't know about it, whether it is into dirt or no. They just buy it, they take it home, they cook, and they also fall sick. Thank you.